Hey, what's going on YouTube? AJ Espinosa here with a little bit of a different video. Today I'm doing a Firecam Onyx 4K helmet camera unboxing. When I was doing research for this camera to see if it's a good camera, I didn't find too many videos on it, so I wanted to do a little unboxing video of it and show what it comes with, how I mount it on my helmet, and also a test video with it at the very end. So let's get right into it. We got the box. We got two QR codes here. We got a Firecam user manuals, a Firecam accessories. So this takes you to the website, buy extra screws, I think some mounts, a little description of what it, records 4K at 30, 1080 at 120 or 1080 at 60. It's for, for slow-mo right there. Yeah, up to 128 gigabyte micro SD card. If you buy it from Amazon like I did, it comes with a 32 gigabyte SD card, if I'm not mistaken. But it's just saying it can hold up to 128 gigabyte SD card, micro SD card. Just some other stuff like that. So I already opened up the tape, but I still haven't unboxed it fully yet. So, two little magnets up here. Flap it open. Got the camera right here on the right. So this is it. Firecam Onyx. Got the, obviously the camera. And it comes with, I haven't opened it fully, but if I'm not mistaken, it comes with 2 replacement glasses. So in case it ever tap it, gets scratched, gets cracked, whatever, you can replace those glass right there. This it has 2 different tail caps. One is without this hole, it makes the camera waterproof. You can submerge it. If you have a diving helmet or something, you can submerge the camera. But I have the audio recording on there. You open it. You got the battery slot. Got the micro SD card slot right here. Connection port to charge or extract files. Got 4K. So this top switch up here, you can switch between 4K or 1080p. Bottom switch between camera, photos, and record. Obviously, I'm gonna keep mine on record. So let me put this away, and then I'll open up the box of parts. So yeah, so here's the SD card. It comes with a 32 gigabyte, and I'm thinking I'm gonna replace this one with a 64 gigabyte. I have one. I'm gonna see how it does. I'll probably use this one on and see what it comes with, just to see how it does. See if I have any errors. If I have any errors in the future, I'll replace it. With I have some with the SanDisk Sport Extreme cards that I can replace it with. But I'm gonna see how this one does. But that's the SD card. And you got some more stuff in here, some more goodies. Here's the actual mount that hooks onto your helmet. So it's a blackjack flashlight holder. In this case, we're using it for camera. This actually, this bag didn't have anything in it. Okay, but you got 2 screws right here to tighten it up to the actual flashlight or camera in this case. This part actually hooks onto your helmet. And then you also got your included Allen wrench here to screw it into your helmet, or screw it into your camera, or screw it into your helmet over here. That's what I like about this this mount. It comes with this included Allen wrench. You don't got to be searching around for one if you ever got to take it off your helmet for any kind of reason. So that's the mount. Next in this box, we got, nice little USB connection wall charger. Just got a regular USB. Next, we got a connection for the camera to a computer or to the wallet. So cord. Next is this is the waterproof cap, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. So this is you got additional O-rings in here to replace the ones in the camera if they ever get messed up. And then you got additional O-rings And I believe these are the glass, the front camera glass as well, replacements. See it, O-ring right there. And then, oh, so it comes with grease too. So you put this grease on the O-rings every now and then. It says a waterproof O-ring maintenance silicone grease. So it comes with grease where you, pretty cool. It's pretty great. And then you got the waterproof cap. So this cap doesn't allow you to record audio. So if you look at the camera, compare it to the one on the camera, this one allows you to record audio. The waterproof one doesn't. The one with audio has a hole. Obviously water would get in there. So if you're trying to record underwater for any kind of reason, you may swift water rescue kind of operations or something, you switch over to the waterproof cap. So I think you can see in there, show a little man swimming. Yep. And then also in here though, some more O-rings. In here also though is the replacement glass for the camera. So it comes with I think it comes with two little replacement glasses. So just in case the front of the camera ever gets cracked for any reason. That's pretty awesome. It's a pretty great thing too. You don't gotta worry about buying those later. Comes with them. These. Oh yeah, the batteries. Last thing. It's come with 2 batteries, which is pretty awesome. In case you ever run out while you're at the firehouse or something, you can just easily switch it out. 2 of these half moon shaped batteries. So, yep, that's the unboxing of it. All right, let me see what else is in here. So you get a warranty, the user manual, QR code, limited warranty, all the little fine print you can read later. But I'm gonna go ahead and mount it on my helmet, and then I'll do a test video for you guys. So see you guys in a bit. Okay, so I got the mount mounted. My helmet kind of sucks because I can't mount the camera up top. The mount just directly in line with this, so I wouldn't be able to fit the camera in there, so top is no go. Bottom kind of sucks because when the camera's in there, it's getting blocked by my visor, so that kind of blows too, but there's a little more protection for the camera, and when it's up, all day long it'll be game. And then it also kind of sucks because I can't keep the camera mounted in there and be able to change out the batteries or SD card and stuff like that, because this brim here just perfectly curves to where it just blocks me unscrewing the battery cap and everything. But the good thing about this mount and stuff is it comes with the it comes with the holder for my Allen screw. So after I need to get the SD card out or whatever, or change the battery out, I'd have to unscrew these 2 screws here, which obviously aren't hard to unscrew or anything, so that's good. And obviously I just throw the Allen key back in there, and you're golden. So that's the way I'm mounting my camera. I'm gonna do some test footage right now of it. I'll show you with the visor down and the visor up in case you have a helmet exactly like this one. So sorry, I totally forgot to show the turning it on and recording and everything. So you hold it, you let it turn on. See. So now it's recording. Whenever it's blinking red and blinking blue, that's when you know it's recording. So as soon as you turn on, by default, it'll start recording. So right now it's recording. You can tell by it blinking red and blinking blue. To turn it off, or to turn it to standby mode, you just press it once. It's in standby mode. Right here, it's not recording. As soon as you want to hit record, or as soon as you want it to record again, boom. And it vibrates too, so you have a feel for when it starts recording, when it stops recording, when it turns off. So it's back to standby mode. Beeps twice, back to solid blue. Now turn it off, hold it down. Sorry, nope. Hold it down longer. There you go. Light turns off. It beeps, I think, 5 times, 6 times, and it long vibrates. It's off. So now I'm gonna throw it on and show you guys some video with it on in low light and a little bit in tight interior light that I have out here. Okay, so test. This is with the 4K Onyx fire cam. This is with the visor up. So we have showing you with the visor up first. So low light conditions. It's 8:32 p.m. I don't know if you can see my watch, but I'm looking directly at my watch. My first test, I don't know what the field of view is. To see my print, so I'm moving on my hands where I can't see my peripheral. Right here, I can't see my peripheral. I don't know if the camera can catch this. Probably my right hand probably can. My left hand, I don't think so. It's probably across my face. No problem. 8:32. Down here, if I'm working with axe, saw, or blah blah, rolling hoses. So I'm turning my light on. That's the light on. Too far away. I don't know how what's capturing it. Got a truck over there, trailer, trampoline, payscape, boat. A little bit closer, barbecue pit. A little bit closer, a table, chair. Then we're gonna go inside. A little better lighting here. Got a router, sander, light, recording the video. And then my gear bag here. Turn off the light. Messing around with it. Working. Yeah, this is with 4K video. The comparison for this is a little bit lighted interior versus outside. No assisted street lights or anything. I don't know how well to see. I'm going to turn on my headlamp. So that was with visor up. I'm going to try visor down now. Visor clean. Lamp on. Hopefully you can see. Hopefully there's no glare or something blocking the camera. Once right now, when I look back at the video, we'll see. That's the camera. That's light on. I'm going to go back into here, light off. The inside of my garage. The lights on. Working in my hands. I don't know if there's glare inside. Might be more glare, more prone to glare with lights all around me and stuff. Working, charging cable, all good stuff. That's the visor up. So yeah, we'll take that video into my computer and we'll see how it comes out. So we just press the camera once and stop recording.